age, school graduated from, and degree finished?
I'm Joel Bedan. I am 51 years old. I graduated from UST with a course of Bachelor of Science in Commerce, major in Economics. Eventually, I also graduated from Manuel Quezon University, finishing Bachelor of Laws.
What made you apply for such course?
What course?
Both.
Well, I was persuaded by my parents to enroll at UST in Commerce, but I took the major in Economics. After 4 years, I took up law because I felt that economics is not sufficient. So I took up law and finished in 1995. I took up the bar in 1996. Luckily, I passed the bar in 1997.
Did you ever plan on shifting because of the difficulty of the course?
With respect to economics, I did not. Actually, my plan was to take up the accounting. Fortunately, I did not pass the qualifying exam, so I took up economics. But it did not come to my mind to change course. With regard to law, it did not come to my mind to change course because I enjoyed the course.
What was your academic standing in college?
In both the economics and in law, I was an average student.
Have you ever encountered social and academic problems?
Well, a little, but it's only a minor problem.
Those problems hinder you from attaining your goals and achievements in college?
No, none at all.
Did you find yourself nervous or excited the first time you applied for a job?
Actually, I was excited and nervous. This is natural feeling for a first-time applicant.
How were you able to cope up with the environment given the fact that you were new to the work?
First, I was shy and awkward, but eventually I was able to get along with my co-employees. That's it.
Were there any problems that almost cost your job or that made you want to quit the job?
With respect to my first job, I did not plan to quit, but eventually I planned to quit because I want to take up law when I was in the Department of Finance. But they gave me ample time to study while working.